In this video, we clean up our PC to save space in the backup by deleting data that we or Windows no longer need. We start in the download directory. Here we mark unnecessary files, then right-click on the marked files and select Delete in the context menu. Next, we start the disk cleanup with administrator privileges. To do this, we can type disk cleanup in the search bar, and after a few letters, the application should be suggested to us, which we then run as administrator by clicking the button. Alternatively, we can copy the Windows disk cleanup link from the description, paste it into the search field and press the Run as Administrator button. A window now appears in which we select our Windows hard drive. This is usually already pre-selected. We confirm with the OK button. Windows will then search for data that is not or no longer required for the operation of the system. A list of the data that Windows wants to delete is displayed. We can search through this list, select an item and read through the description. For some of these items, we can use the Show Files button to go to the directory and check what is stored here. Here we mark all the items for which we are sure we no longer need. Click on the More Options tab and then on the Cleanup button in the Programs and Features box. A list of the currently installed software opens. Here we can find out which programs are installed on our computer and uninstall any software we no longer need by selecting a program and clicking the Uninstall button. After we have uninstalled unnecessary software, we close the window and return to the cleanup by selecting the Disk Cleanup tab, clicking the OK button and confirming the deletion of the files. Optionally, as a final step, we can use the WinDirStat software to search our hard drive for large amounts of data in order to free up even more storage space. If we are unsure what will be deleted in the following step, we can skip this step. As usual, we can find the link in the description. We start the download by clicking on SourceForge. After about 5 seconds, the download should start. As soon as it is finished, we navigate to the download directory and execute the installation. Once the installation is complete, the software asks where to search. We select individual drives and mark our Windows hard drive. The following process will take some time. Press the OK button and leave the software to search. It may happen that the application does not respond for a short time. In this case, we simply wait a few seconds. As a result, this image appears on the left-hand side. We can see our directories on the hard drive and get information on the size of the individual folders. We can jump further into the subdirectories by clicking on the plus symbol. This may allow us to find programs that require a lot of memory but are not being used. In the view on the right-hand side, we can see the distribution by file type. If we click on a type, the image below changes to show where the data is located. By clicking on the highlighted files, we jump to the directory that contains this file. I recommend that you search for the following file types and delete them if they are no longer required: MP3, MP4, JPG, JPEG, and PNG. Summary. We have tidied up our Downloads folder, uninstalled unnecessary programs, carried out the disk cleanup, and manually searched for unnecessary data. Thank you for your attention. In the next video, we create a backup of our freshly cleaned hard drive,